You might ask, why are we taking off the front bumper? Well, let me tell you.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you.
Today, we're gonna finish up the flooded Ford Focus RS. There were two things that I left wrong with it because I was procrastinating. The alternator is pushing out 13.7 volts, so it's acting up. And also the two front door lock modules, they don't want to lock. So we're gonna do that. And for everybody that subscribed, thank you so much. I think we're 1 or 2 away from the total cost of this build video. So keep subscribing, keep liking, share this video with your friends, and hope you like this video. All right, the door lock actuator is finally replaced. It looks good, except for like 2 pins in there. Let's see if you could see them. They look pretty corroded and nasty. That's why it's always good to have a parts car. We just pulled them off the wrecked RS, and now the door actually locks. So let's see that. See? That works. Let's go to the passenger side. So I guess this side is also shot. Let's fix it. All right, passenger side is done. Let's see if it works. Good. Sweet. Now I could lock the doors. All right, let's get her on the lift and swap out that alternator. All right, guys, I just checked YouTube, and guess what? Y'all did it. Y'all put me over 1,200. Thank you so much. That's a blessing. You guys are awesome. Let's knock out this alternator, and then maybe take it to CarMax. Who knows? Check this out. I really thought this was a stock feature, but I guess it's not. See, now they're white. And now they're yellow. It's really cool. I guess that's just a little Easter egg there for you. The head gasket hasn't been giving me any issues at all. That's literally how I got it in, and didn't touch that reservoir, didn't add any coolant, so I don't know. That's why I'm putting off taking it to the dealership. I don't really want to mess with it right now, but I know I have to. All right, the reason why I was procrastinating with this alternator is because you have to literally lower the main mount, set the engine down a little bit, just so you could get it out of the bottom, which is a really tough squeeze in there. Yep, let's do it. Alright, what I'm trying to accomplish is remove that battery light. Yeah, as always, needs fuel. But look, car already has 14,624 miles. It's time to sell her. Let's go look at the alternator voltage. We got the leads on the ground, and we got positive on the alternator itself, and we're getting 13.8, 13.79. That is not nowhere near. That's why we're getting that light for a faulty battery, but it's actually the alternator. The alternator's unbolted. It's wiggling. It's about to come out. But underneath on this side, there's a brake duct that attaches to the front bumper. That's pretty much impossible to get to. So now the whole front bumper needs to come off. And the engine's already lowered. See those bolts unscrewed? And it's supported by the jack. So let's get this thing out. I hate when this has to happen. Front bumper's off. The main mount is off. This is a pain in the butt. New alternator's going on right now. I don't know why they didn't make it easier, but it's Friday. I want to get home. And this little duct and that little bolt here that we couldn't get to caused all this. I mean, I think maybe there would have been a way, but the bumper has a little shield here, so it ended up being easier just to pull the whole thing off. But still, too much work for an alternator. All right, power's back on. Let's see if that did the trick. So good. Looks like that just did the trick. Awesome. No more annoying battery light. Let's go see what the alternator's reading. That's more like it. There you go. Alright. Just gotta put one more wheel on, and she's out of here. Again, guys, I wanted to say thank you so much for all the subscribers, all the support, all the shares, the likes. That's awesome. The next week's video is going to be talking about the cost of this flooded Ford Focus RS. So stay tuned.